Welcome back to Primetime News Special. Welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com.
A reminder as well, you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1 followed by the word Spot and Media.
A twist today in the case of Jamaican-born Lee Boyd Malvo, one of 2 men convicted of brutally murdering several people in what was dubbed the DC sniper case in the United States more than a decade ago.
A U.S. federal district court judge, has overturned Malvo's sentence after nearly 15 years. TVJ's Herman Green has the latest.
The ruling in the Lee Boyd Malvo case was released Friday, 15 years after the killing in the so-called DC-era Beltway sniper attacks, which put Jamaica into the international spotlight for an incident that did not even take place on local shores. Malvo was sentenced to life in prison without parole for the sniper-style attacks committed around the region in October 2002, along with John Allen Mohammed. 10 people were killed and 3 others were shot during a 3-week period. Malvo had appealed to the court, saying he should not have been sentenced to life without parole because he was 17 years old at the time of the murders. He based his appeal on the Supreme Court ruling in Miller versus Alabama. Judge Raymond Jackson, who agreed and made his ruling to vacate Malvo's sentence, said the decision in the Supreme Court case ruled juveniles are constitutionally different from adults for the purposes of sentencing, quote, because juveniles have diminished culpability and greater prospects for reform, end quote, which makes them, quote, less deserving of the most severe punishments, end quote. Malvo was convicted in one trial in Virginia and entered a plea in another. He had previously filed 2 motions for writs of habeas corpus that failed. Now, Malvo's case has been remanded back to a county circuit court to issue a new sentence. Mohammed and Malvo used a rifle to shoot over a dozen people from a modified trunk of a Chevrolet Caprice in random attacks in Maryland, Virginia, and D.C. Malvo, who is now 32 years old, is currently being held at Red Onion State Prison, a super maximum security prison in Virginia. Fairfax County Commonwealth's attorney Ray Moreau, who helped prosecute Malvo in 2003, said the Virginia Attorney General can appeal Jackson's ruling. If not, Moreau said he would pursue another life sentence, saying he believes Malvo meets the criteria for a harsh sentence. Mohammed was executed in 2009 for the killings. Herman Green, TVJ News.